Hello everyone! Let's dine at Casa Gusto. We went here last Sunday after naman lakat sa church para magsinisang kandila. It was the day before the national and local elections, so emotions and anxiety were high. Kayo no naman, nagdalagan si Mommy as city councilor, and for her third attempt, nakalusot na gid siya. Thank you gid Lord. Thank you gid sa tanan nga nagsuporta kag nagbulig. Pagsulod mo, the place is very clean and homey. We were the only ones there pag-abot namon kay do mga 5 p.m. pa lang to, but there were several reserved tables naman. Anyways, this is their official Facebook page. They are located at Reyes Subdivision, Barangay Morales, sa highway lang gid siya. And here's their menu. Non-park establishment sila, so sorry lang gid kay ate kay chicharon bulaklak gid ang gipamangkot ko na una kung may ara sila. Gagi-agi lang kami diri pirmi and gahambay kami nga i-try namon sa sunod. And perfect lang gid nga dito kami nagkaon that time kay may ara sila sang pa Mother's Day nga setup. And gigaan pagid ko nila rose. A simple gesture that really made me feel special. Given nga busy si Kagawad that time, though nadula man ang init sang ulo ko sa iya. Charot. Yes, Mother's Day gani ni siya nga adlaw guys, and gidawat ko na nga busy gid subong sa wala ani sang ganap-ganap, pero do blessed gid kami sa desisyon namon kung diin magkaon kay do giplanuhan lang bisan waay man. Char. We ordered chicken alfredo, fresh lumpia, chili gambas, garlic rice, and cookies and cream frap. The food is great and the taste is more on the sweet side. You can try it here guys. Great food and great service. Ara damo na tao kay dinner time na ni. Nice siya kay pagwa namon medyo dulom na and effect kayo ang mga lights nila. It was just a quick dinner before being anxious about the elections again. By the way, I'll be posting a vlog also on the ganaps during the election day and the day after. Like you care, diba? Charot. I think that's all for now guys. Thanks for watching.